Number 1.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, finished in an eye-catching green exterior paired with a tan interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission for smooth, easy driving. Under the hood, it houses a 327 engine with an unknown mileage, delivering dependable power and performance. This particular example stands out with its custom suicide doors, shaved handles, and shaved lights, giving it a sleek, streamlined appearance. Door poppers are also installed, requiring only wiring to be fully functional. It comes with a clear title for peace of mind and even includes an additional set of wheels, offering versatility in style or function. While the interior still needs to be completed, the truck is mechanically sound, running and driving well.
Number 2.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,800, powered by the reliable 5.2L 318 SID V8 Magnum and paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With just 73,000 original miles, this rear-wheel drive truck is in excellent mechanical condition and carries a clean title. Garage kept for most of its life, it's completely rust-free and still wears its original red paint, showing only light clear coat peeling and minor age-related marks. The gray interior is in remarkable shape, with features like cold AC, fog lights, passenger airbags, cruise control, and a new sound system. Recent work includes corrosion protection on the undercarriage, a fully serviced transmission, strong brakes, and brand new Yokohama Geolandar M/TG003 tires for off-road or bad weather use. A well-kept, original Dodge that's ready for work or play.
Number 3.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,700, dependable 4x4 truck with 120,000 miles on the odometer, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a bold red exterior with a tan interior, it has been used over the past few years as a reliable farm and project truck. Everything on the truck works properly except for the air conditioning and radio. Last year, it received upgraded rims and nearly new Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP tires, which have seen very little use since installation. It also comes with a diesel RDS transfer tank and toolbox, both in excellent working order after recently having the hose and connectors replaced, perfect for fueling equipment on the go. This clean title truck is ready to work and built to handle tough tasks while still offering classic Chevy durability. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. It is powered by a reliable 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission, featuring an 8-lug wheel setup for added strength. The truck sports a white exterior with a blue interior, running on gasoline. Inside, the cabin is in overall clean condition, with the exception of some broken air vents. Mechanically, the truck is in good condition. Recent maintenance includes the installation of a new ACT-Delco ignition coil and ignition control module, new spark plugs and wires, an aluminum radiator, and a new distributor. The braking system has also been refreshed with new brake pads and rotors, inner and outer front wheel bearings, front brake lines, rear brake shoes with new hardware, and new brake lights. Additionally, the truck is equipped with Apple CarPlay for modern convenience.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, powered by a 454 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission. It has 143,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The truck was repainted in a striking red about 12 years ago, complemented by a gray cloth interior. While the exterior remains in overall good condition, it has a few minor scrapes, and the right rear fender could use a clear coat, though it still presents well as it is. Inside, the gray cloth seats are in excellent condition, while the headliner and sun visors show some wear. The air conditioning functions but currently only blows toward the feet, and the AC compressor produces some noise.
Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, a replaced brake booster, and freshly installed LED tail lamps. Number 6.
1991 Ford F150, price $5,000, solid and mostly rust-free classic pickup that offers both reliability and potential. It runs strong and shifts smoothly, making it a dependable driver in its current condition. Powered by a trusted 302 V8 engine, the truck is a two-wheel drive model and shows 170,000 miles on the odometer. While it is mechanically sound, there are a few cosmetic details that could use attention, such as worn sun visors and cracked door panels. It also has a slow leak from the rear main seal, which has not affected drivability. The current owner had planned to restore and improve the truck, but with college approaching, they no longer have the time to dedicate to the project. Overall, it's a well-running F-150 with a strong foundation, ideal for a classic truck enthusiast looking for a project that can be enjoyed right away while being improved over time.
Number 7.
1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, well-preserved example of a classic American pickup, retaining its originality throughout.
This two-owner truck features a dependable 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, showing just 71,000 miles since new.
It wears its factory tan exterior complemented by a brown interior, both of which remain in very good condition for its age. Having never been modified, it stands as an authentic representation of the era, with only minor rust present in a few small areas. Everything on the truck functions exactly as it should, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Recent upgrades include a brand new carburetor, new battery, and a fresh set of 31 by 10.50 tires, ensuring it is ready for the road.
Number 8.
1986 Chevrolet K20, price $7,900, features an automatic transmission, brown exterior, tan interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 350 Chevrolet crate motor paired with a 400 turbo transmission, it offers power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, intermittent wipers, cruise control, auxiliary brakes, factory tow hooks, a sliding rear window, and a cargo light. It rides on 16-inch stock rims with good tires, and the manual 4x4 hubs work flawlessly. In the past 2 years and just 1,500 miles, it has received numerous upgrades, including a battery, alternator, high-performance starter, flywheel, Edelbrock carburetor, fuel pump, complete brake replacement, door hinge pins, latch bolts, a new steering column, fuel diverter valve, dash fuel selector switch, and an upgraded grille.
Number 9.
1982 GMC 1500, price $4,200, finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior. It runs on diesel and is powered by a dependable 6.2L diesel engine. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, including new tires, a new transmission, starter, alternator, and batteries. All the headlights, taillights, and marker lights have been replaced, and it has also had new filters installed along with a fresh oil change. It runs and drives great, offering a strong performance despite its age. The exterior sports a desirable patina look, preserved with a layer of clear coat, while some rust is present in the typical spots for this model year.
The interior will require some restoration work, but overall, this classic GMC presents itself as a solid driver with plenty of character. Number 10.
1986 Ford F250, price $6,000. This truck has been in the same family for many years and was originally from Wyoming. With next to zero rust, it stands as one of the most solid bullnose survivors you'll find in unaltered condition. It has mostly been sitting for the past few years, waiting for someone to bring it back to its former glory. The tires are in excellent condition, with 90% tread or better. Due to its time in storage, it would likely benefit from some carburetor work and a basic tune-up, and it will need an exhaust system. A clear and clean South Dakota title is included. Stabilizer was added to the fuel tank before it was last driven, but it is recommended to trailer the truck because of the missing exhaust and the need for carburetor cleaning or replacement.